Bathroom slips and falls are among the most common and dangerous household accidents, but regaining complete confidence and independence has never been easier. Meet this heavy-duty, foldable toilet safety frame, the ultimate bathroom support system for seniors, anyone recovering from surgery, or individuals with limited mobility. Engineered with high-strength, corrosion-resistant aluminum, it provides rock-solid stability to make sitting down and standing up completely effortless. It features soft, non-slip padded handles for a secure grip, along with strong suction cup feet to prevent any sliding on slick tile floors. What makes it truly versatile is its fully adjustable height and width, guaranteeing a perfect custom fit around virtually any standard or elongated toilet. Best of all, it requires 0 tools to assemble in minutes, folds flat for effortless storage or travel, and is fully FSA and HSA eligible. Give yourself or your loved ones the safety, comfort, and peace of mind they deserve. Check the link in the video description right now to get the best deal on Amazon today.